Citigen 2.1. New features and updates. Improved import features for third-party buildings, props, and animated street characters. Additional mode for aiding export to Unreal Engine 5. In order to use the latest Citigen add-on, please be sure to remove the previous version and install the latest one. Feature number 1. Improved import features for third-party assets. You can now import third-party buildings and props, including cars and animated street characters. Open up the import template file, buildings to import prep.blend, and simply put your third-party assets into their respective collections starting with the name add, if you want to add them, or collections starting with the name replace, to replace existing assets. In the case of animated assets, make sure their animations are looping. Each collection might contain default Citigen assets. Use them as references and adjust the size and rotation of your new assets. When completed, delete the reference assets. Once you have organized and put all your new assets into their respective collections to import, delete all other irrelevant collections under the main collection named user-created buildings. Save the file, with any name of your choice. So, you have made your own building pack. It's time to import this file, with a simple click of a button. Now go to your Citigen project file. Click Select and Import Building Packs button, and locate your building pack. And, click Import Citigen Building Pack. Now in the case of cars and animated street characters, you might need to adjust their rotations, sizes, and speeds. Citigen pedestrians are actually divided into 3 animated groups: the ones on the sidewalks of bigger buildings, another group, walking on ports, and the rest, walking on the ground and on small streets. Check out their feet and adjust their respective footings and speed. Feature number 2. You can now review and export the basic set of static assets loaded or imported into your Citigen project. Use them to set up a correct shading library in Unreal Engine 5, rather than trying to fix the shadings among thousands of duplicate assets in the game editor. To do that, import your assets into your Citigen scene. And click Show Hide Loaded Citigen Assets button. Then, click Prepare for Mesh Export. And, select all visible assets, and export them as a FBX package. So, this wraps up this tutorial. Thank you for watching. And thank you for choosing Citigen.